and you partner with someone else, does that mean each one of you gets credit for the $1,000 given, or do you only get $500 credit because there's two of you?
No, it's actually you if you partner up, it's a very good question. It's actually in some case you encourage each other to give, and our Talmud says that the one who gives who encourage other people to give get even more reward than the person who gave. So you understand. So when you give $1,000 to the partners, you gain a reward even more than for $1,000 for sure. For you 500, and for his, because you encourage him, for sure you're getting more. Absolutely.